Hey everyone, how's it going here? Here we have a Craftsman lt1000. Just picked it up last night, free. It was in the driveway when I came home yesterday. I'm gonna get it running later today, hopefully. It's got an 18 horse Riggs Intech motor. All complete, it's clean, should run, needs gas and everything. Six-speed transmission, throttle. Doesn't have a mower deck on it, but I'm sure you can get one for it. Here's the underneath of it. I was just looking at it. It's got the dry belt and everything, so that should be good. You can see that's the pulley and the spindle, and it does have a belt on it, so it should move and run. It's a real transmission, it's not one of the plastic ones, so that's good. The tires need a little air, so we'll do that. And yeah, that's it. So we'll see you when we get it running.